There's just no way not to talk about, hey, Jim, no way not to talk about banks. I know what's on your mind, but there's just no way not to talk about banks. I mean, tonight there's something going on, isn't there, for you?
Yeah, I'll be there. I don't like to miss games. And if there's an upset and we beat the Buccaneers and I'm not there, shame on me. Look, I do think that what we have is we have J.P. Morgan did not have the revenue growth that Bank of America had. Bank of America could be the star of the day. Wells is a total conference call. We're not sure what they're going to say. Citi, once again, it's good, but it never seems to matter. A tangible book is so big. They can buy back all they want and be accretive. But it's Bank of America with the real leverage. I mean, expenses flat and 12% revenue growth. I mean, geez. So a lot of people were expecting that Morgan Stanley would be good, and they are going to be good. And we have James Gorman on. But I really liked what Brian Moynihan did this quarter.
The labor supply chain, ports, all these things, I don't know what to make of it. We just had an economist on, and I mean, if we knew for sure, okay, 3 months is going to be over. But I don't know. There's just some troubling. If you were to come in and not know why these things were happening, you'd go, "Oh my God, we've got some serious headwinds."
Yeah, but we got people like Bill McDermott at ServiceNow and Neil Bushry at Workday. Yes, Benioff at Salesforce. I think if any one of them came in there for 10 days and figured out what was really going on, it would be a godsend. I particularly recommend that Bill McDermott do it. And I think we all know Bill, and he's terrific. I know Bill watches. If Bill were to spend 10 days in these different ports, believe me, he could solve this. These are great Americans. I know the Chinese. We hear that 24/7, blah, blah, blah. I'll take Bill McDermott over any of the people who understand logistics or think they understand logistics. I love that interview. But, I mean, these people need a fresh digital perspective. And they don't have it. They don't have it.
Energy prices, raw material price, all those things are going to reverse, do you think, at some point?
I think energy's peaking right now. Natural gas already peaked. I think that the whole stagflation thing, as soon as they brought that out, Joe, that meant that these people want to call the sunset of America moment, and that means you got to buy America.
I don't know what to think of Bitcoin. What a strange week. Jamie Dimon, Vladimir Putin. Now we were talking about Fidelity earlier, saying
there's 4 funds that are going to start. So the futures, as the journal said, are double what they should be. They run ahead. The moment that the fund starts should be a short-term peaking. I'm going to sell my Ethereum. I'll sell half of my Ethereum the day that all this stuff's approved. I love Ethereum. It's with some bank. It's like the First International Bank of Boardwalk Park Place in, Connecticut. I mean, this stuff is unbelievable.
We get a lot of banks this week, but we also had United Health. We had Walgreens. We've got what else have you? Look, what else have you seen?
United Health. The analysts want that one to go higher, so they always have incredibly low estimates. They always beat the estimates. It's tiresome. I thought your interview with Roz was incredible. Now, I really believe that Walgreens, which I did not think was possible, actually managed to gain a lot from the vaccines, and I think that's terrific. I think what they were a company searching for a CEO, and they found one, and she's fabulous. I didn't want her to leave Starbucks, obviously, but they got a pretty good bench there, too.
Give Bertha the credit for that. She was the one who did the interview.
Is that
Bertha
Andrew?
Coombs. It is.
Yeah, it was a great interview. I got something from Andrew today. It says, "Hi, my name is Andrew Sorkin." So I immediately sent him back. My name is Jim Cramer. But it was for Deal Book, which I think is one of the greatest conferences ever. And
God bless you.
We had Succession at 3. We had Deal Book. We're doing some amazing things.
I missed
proud of the team. What can I say? It's okay to be proud of the team.
Was there an F word?
We're like winners.
Did the F word actually come out, or did he say F? I didn't. On the closing bell, that's what you're talking about.
I think he said it.
Yeah. He did.
He did.
You know who else said it? Beto said it recently, just like willing. Everybody's using the F word. Like you can just throw it around, and you can't.
I don't use this family. I mean, look, we're a family show. We got Jeopardy on. We're a family show.
So it was.
I don't know if I like this.
It was an actual quote, F off.
Yes. But that's
I
from
think
the,
there should be immediate apologies, and people. We don't want this.
He said it, but it was on tape, Joe, and I think they beeped it, if I remember correctly.
It was taped.
Yeah, it was taped, and they beeped it.
And that's part of his character, his role. That's what he says on the.
Part of his character. I'll tell you, part of his character is on CNBC. His character should be to help people.